finally home. Wait! What's happening here? Don't worry, you'll say goodbye to this mess soon. Now, let the automatic cat litter box change my life. Goodbye, mess. Hello to a tidy home. Extra space. Allows cats of all types to jump in and out easily. Now it's time to start cleaning. No worry about soft or unburied. Everything gets cleaned perfectly. The large waste drawer easily handles multiple cats' needs. Oh, no, please. Leo jumps in. The machine immediately stopped. Thanks to the 4 weight sensors, my cats are safe. The machine stops as soon as it detects weight changes. Once they leave, cleaning continues automatically. Make sure it keeps clean super easy. I can check the litter box status anytime. The litter box fits perfectly anywhere in your home. Say goodbye to mess and enjoy a happy life with your cats.